Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get started with this video, so it's going to be the 5-second subscribe challenge. If you don't know what that is, you have 5 seconds to subscribe to my channel, starting now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to ride a hoverboard, which this one's actually a Jetson strike. It says Jetson on both of the sides. Okay, so it says Jetson on the sides like I showed you. Those are the reflective tape, so it goes on the back so people can see me. And these, they're the tires, and they have, like when I ride it, it lights up rainbow. And it's pretty sweet. Then this, on the front, it's like, it shines white and onto the road so I can see where I'm going. That's why it goes in the front. And this is the little charging port thing. You just take it off. You take it off. And it should be there. So you can, there we go. See, there we go. That's where you charge it. And then this is how it turns on. Oh, sorry. By that button right there. So let me show you. See, it lights up green so green is the slowest mode for beginners. Then there's yellow for medium, and there's red for fastest. The fastest mode for advanced. How you do it is you turn it on the side, so then it's on. So this wheel's on the floor, and then you would keep clicking this. And then it would change to this from green, yellow to red for excuse me, for the mode. But let's get started. So the average time that you're supposed to have it charged for is 3 hours. That's what I did. So for best riding, you put your foot on the sides, your feet on the sides. Which right now I'm not actually going to do it, but you put your feet on the sides so then you can have more control and not fall. But yeah, and so how this one works is if you want to go right, then you put your left foot down and you can see it moves. And then if you want to go right, if you want to go left, you put your right foot and push down. And if you want to go if you want to go right, then you do your left foot. And this isn't actually how it moves. How it moves is here. Let me hold this in place so then that moves down, comes back. This moves down and it comes back. But you would start off, if you guys can see this, the line has to be matching, just like that, and then you can start. So let's get on. Here we go. I have it on slow mode because just got this like yesterday. It was a Christmas present. Yesterday wasn't Christmas, but I got it for Christmas. It didn't work, so we had to get another one. We actually had to get it shipped from eBay. But yeah, it shows blue on the other one for the battery percentage. Right now it is fully charged, and that's how it works. Oh yeah, so if you guys want to see it light, I will show you that. So you can see it on the sides. It's reflecting from the ground. Then there's the front wheels, the front lights. And here, I'll try to get down so you guys can see the lights. Yeah, there's the lights. And I can ride down like this. And I can also just stand like that. Which right now I'm actually riding down. Oh, there is my puppy. It's not really a puppy, but yeah, and so the modes are, right now it's on low. It's the slowest mode it can go. Yeah, that's what it makes when you get off, but so how it works is the medium mode, the slowest mode is green. It goes 1 to 3 mph. Yellow is the medium mode. It goes to 3 to 6. So like 3, 4, 5, 6. Then got stuck. Okay, and then the last one is 6 to 9, which is the highest it goes. But the greens for beginners, I'm not really a beginner, but I like to start on, I like to go on this one for when I'm at the house. And then the yellows for like, sort of getting it, and then the reds for advanced / pros. I'm not really pro, just advanced. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, smash the like button, and see you next video. Oh, if you want another video of this, just put a comment.